this video, I'm going to show you how you can open your business manager in a few seconds. Then after that, I'll show you how you can create your ad account so that you can run ad on your business Facebook page. So first you have to go to business here at the top left corner, business.facebook.com//overview. So once you're there, this page should come up. It's kind of great business manager, and if similar to this, and then you create an account by clicking here on the right corner the create account button, blue. I'm going to click on the create account button right there and write this. It actually asks you that you put your business name. It won't show to the public, it's really for you, so I'm going to call it Michelle's author store. That's really, you know, I'm creating an account for an author. The name is Michelle. And then I'm going to put the business email, which is Michelle Corriveau at com, sorry. And then you make sure that you put the one that is your business email. Ooh, I just want to make sure. Yeah, and then you click on submit. Then the next step for you, once this is working, you need to go to your email box, right? And make sure that Facebook has sent you actually full access to this account. So I'm gonna do this here. So now it should say done, and then once you're there, so now let's go to business assets. So that should be this one here. It says Michelle Author Store. And right there, once you get there, you're gonna have to actually go to your business settings. Switch to business account, because we need to actually bring a Facebook page in it. Business settings. Here we go. So you are right there, my friend. So this is where everything kind of happens. So first thing you're gonna do is to make sure that here on the left, you have pages. To make sure that below this business account, you're gonna bring your Facebook business page. So I'm gonna click on page. And then here it says Michelle Author Store doesn't have any page yet. So we're gonna actually add a page. And then if you don't have one yet, I want to show you, it's okay. You can create a page right there. Or if you work for someone else, you know, you're gonna have to request access to the page. So let's do this. I'm gonna add a page, and then I'm gonna start typing the name of the page, which is Michelle, right there. And then it previews your Facebook business page, and then you're gonna click on add page. So you're one step closer. So close, here we go. So here we go. You have now the Facebook page that is actually under the business manager already.